Well, you have done it. You have successfully completed your coursework, passed your exams, and met all the requirements to graduate. Now it's time to commemorate all of your hard work. It's time to walk across the stage with your fellow classmates and allow your friends, family, and loved ones to celebrate your success. A major part of the celebration is the academic regalia that you have now earned the privilege of wearing: your robe, your graduation cap, and your hood. Placing the hood on a new graduate is a time-honored academic tradition and a rite of passage for all who earn a graduate degree. At JSU, the ceremonial hooding is typically performed by the appropriate academic dean and a senior member of the faculty. However, because of social distancing requirements at this summer's graduation ceremony, the procedure has been altered. Instead of being hooded on stage, students should arrive at the ceremony wearing their academic hoods and regalia. To assist you with this, here is a brief demonstration of how to properly wear your hood as part of your formal academic regalia. You will probably want to ask someone to help you, and I will explain why that is important in just a moment. Start by removing your hood from the package. Hold it so that the satin material is on the inside and the velvet is on the outside. Place the hood over your head with the velvet V around your neck. The tail of the hood should drape down your back. Find the string on the velvet part of your hood. You'll need assistance with this. Below the string and button, turn the material out so that the satin colors are showing. Above the string and button, make sure the velvet colors are flat across the back. Hook the loop of the string around the button to hold the hood in place. Next, you may use the string hanging from the V of the hood in front to wrap around a button inside the gown. This will hold the hood in place and make it much more comfortable around your neck. A safety pin will also work if you don't have a button. As a final touch, place the cap on top of your head, making sure it's flat. Okay, that's it. You're done and ready to proudly wear your academic regalia. Although your dean and a member of the faculty will not be hooding graduates as usual at this ceremony, there is no reason that you cannot be hooded by someone special or important in your life. We hope that you might consider asking your spouse, partner, parent, sibling, best friend, or even your children to perform your ceremonial hooding. If you do, please consider taking a photograph to share on social media. Don't forget to include Jacksonville State University and use the hashtag JSUGradStudies. Your graduation is a major accomplishment, and we hope that you will consider sharing this well-earned experience with the world.